Hi friends, check if your silicone kitchenware has aged. I'm going to introduce 3 quick inspection methods that can be completed in just 10 seconds. And you don't need any tools. The first tip, look. Scan the whole thing. Do you see any cracks, warping that won't fix, or a little bit that is flaking off? If yes, red flag. Your second tip, feel it. Run your finger over the silicone. Does it feel sticky even after washing? Or super stiff like it's already lost its flexibility? Give it a gentle press. If it doesn't bounce back right away, it's tired. The third tip, smell. Wash it with soap and water. Let it dry and then take a sniff. Any weird lingering odors that like old food or rubber, that means the material is breaking down. Don't hesitate to throw it away. Follow me and I will show you more knowledge.